there is a concept called unbiased estimate. So if the say that you are predicting the salary, so I'm using S here, the prediction of the salary and the actual salary is the same, so we call that unbiased estimate. Okay, so this is called unbiased estimate. So basically, if you are dealing with the unbiased estimates, and you say you are dealing with the y equals to ax plus b, you kind of need to make that equation equals to y equals to x. Why? Because you kind of use the predicted value and the actual value as the x and y. So we need to make that all the same. So that is called unbiased estimate. If you do have a coefficient and have some certain intercept, it will be the biased estimate. So of course, if you want this become like this, there is also some condition here, which means A will be equal to 1, and of course B will be equal to 0. So that is the premises of the unbiased estimate. Okay, we do have this kind of knowledge concern at the CFA's practice question, so do pay special attention to this. It kind of just overcomplicated things because it showed up as the simple linear regression and with just one variable, but you know, just at the moment when you think that the one variables, the simple linear regression is not that so difficult after all. You will encounter something like this, so it kind of just added the difficult level for you guys. So don't worry if it's mentioned at the book. I will mention that too, and I will explain that in detail how this knowledge is all about. So don't worry about it. Okay, so if you are talking about the unbiased, I kind of just use U to explain U. Okay, using U to predict U. So if it's unbiased, all the prediction and the actual value should be the same. So that's the basic idea behind the unbiased estimate. And if you know that, you kind of can do this regression, do this hypothesis test. So as you know that we got the non-hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. A lot of students get this confused, and even some teachers. I have watched tons of videos, and my team also kind of just go through all this tutorial made by a lot of famous teachers. So when they come to a question like this, well, a lot of teachers, at least half the teacher got that wrong. So you do need to pay special attention to. So you kind of need to got the non-hypothesis and alternative hypothesis right? So how to do that? And my suggestion is you come from here. So you kind of need to, if you want this prediction to be unbiased, you kind of need to A equals to 1 and B equals to 0. Okay, this is what you want this hypothetical test will be. Okay, so you just need to put what you want as the alternative here. So I'll say that you want to test, say the A. Let me just use another notation so you guys can compare that with the book, right? Let me just change the A and B to say B1 and B0. Okay, so B1 will be the slope coefficient and B0 will be the intercept. So when it comes to B1,